I said about the abandoned place. I'm actually in like a place that with an elevator that's not really used. So the elevator's over here. It's a Westinghouse, old-fashioned Westinghouse elevator. And I'm gonna put the camera on. I have Julia right here. I'm gonna put the camera inside the. And so here's the elevator. Here's the elevator now, hon. So she's gonna be in here, hon. Hon. I don't want to let this thing go into ledge, hon. Yeah, I think the game's good, hon. Okay, what do you stay on. Cyrus. Stay on. Grab the, send this thing to 2. Stay. Yeah, there she is. I actually filmed this time. Yeah, so yeah, let's get a cab view. Very nice cab. I'm sure you guys heard the motor as the thing was going up. And yeah, had to do a run up the stairs. Okay. Hey. I think almost closed on her leash. Okay. Yeah. And yeah. Well, let me get the elevator one more time before I can, so you can listen to the motor. Julia's right here. She's a queen with elevators. She goes in, basically because she goes in one every day. And here it is. Watch this. She's gonna wait for the people to get out. And watch, she's gonna go in. Oh, this door has like some opening issues. Come on. Oh yeah, man. It almost closed. Okay, it's closed too. Come on. Let's get one last look at the motor as they're coming out. That big motor. Why is that light on? Yeah, she's like a dog can handle elevators better than anyone can. Alright, yeah. If you guys do enjoy the video, remember to subscribe to Hat Boy, my original channel, and Clover Gang. So, yeah.